ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಪದವಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಿಮ ವರ್ಷದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ನಗರದ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಪದವಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಿಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ರಷ್ಯನ್ ಟ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ 204 ಸಲ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಧನೆಗೈದಿರುವ ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ನಗರದ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಎಸ್ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಸಾಧನೆಗೈದಿರುವ ಈತರ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಗೆ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಿದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಬಡಶೇಷಿ ಅವರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪದವಿ ಪಡೆಯುವುದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪಡೆದ ಬಳಿಕ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಸೇವೆ ನೀಡಲು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಿಜವಾದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಆರಂಭವಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
As gold has such a value, our personality should also wish to have a value. It is from this perspective that a student who takes admission in one college and when he becomes a pass out, when he wants to go out of the college, he becomes an alumni. He becomes a brand ambassador. He becomes a representative of the teaching quality, the interaction between the teacher and the student, the ambience, the library, the project, the communication skills, personality development, etc. It was an editor of Encyclopedia Britannica who had once defined that what is education? The real education is not getting a BA degree from VTU. The real education starts when once you become a graduate in engineering, get in the convocation degree, and the day when you start serving in any organization or a service, it is from that day that real education starts. So not that what you have been taught or what you have learned is more important, that is only a knowledge. But do we have the capacity to use the knowledge for the betterment of the humanity? If I have that competency, that knowledge becomes wisdom. So the transformation of knowledge and wisdom is more dependent on the individuals. So it is with this preamble that we are very fortunate that in a country with so much of population, we are second in the world. Equally so much of social problems, poverty, malnutrition, COVID, practice of social events. But still, hope against hope, India is going to emerge as the superpower in the days to come, not militarily, but intellectually. So the collective several institutions are contributing. It was John F. Milton who had said once, on his blindness the poem, they also serve who only stand and wait. When the poet lost his eyesight, he became blind. Then he prayed, God, what should I do? I am blind. You cannot do anything. If you cannot do anything, just pray. So the progress of a country, the technological development of India, the achievement and the credentials in space science, the military science, it is the engineering colleges throughout India, they are contributing their best. And Shetty Institute of Engineering Technology or Engineering College, it is not an exception. It is not that one individual, one teacher, one student will make a nation great. Everybody should contribute. And this contribution process, Shetty Institute of Technology has been doing a marvelous job. And if Shakti Institute of Technology, and just now when I was sitting in the principal chamber, one student came, and the result bandante he got some sweet. The name of the institute is not famous because of the management. The name of the institute is not because of the teachers where they are teaching. The name of the college is not because of the principal who is administering you. The name and fame of the college depends upon the students. It is you who make the student, it is you who make the institution a great institution. I confess that no teacher is great. It is the students who make.
ಇನ್ನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಬಸಂತಿ ಘಂಟಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
Feel happy at the same time I feel sad that many of my favorite students were in this batch and they are leaving the campus now. So change is the only constant in life and life is incomplete without a mixed bundle of joys and sorrows. Many times we find ourselves in situations where we feel so much and yet fail to express it in words. In times like these, words can prove to be everlasting and can be someone's solace in times of need. People are often remembered by their deeds and by their words. So never thought that this day would knock our doors so soon. I never had the time to pause and reflect how much I would miss the moments I spent with this batch. But here we are. As we grow comfortable with our present surroundings, life demands change and we must unwillingly or willingly we have to comply with it. As bittersweet memories cloud my mind, I look back at all the memories I have gathered with them, all the troubles we have shared and all the achievements we have celebrated together. I could not have asked for a better group of students as my very own family.
ರಿಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಸಾಧನೆಗೈದ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಎಸ್.ಬಿ. ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ರು.
ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ತಲೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ತಲೆ ಬಂತು. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ದಾಗ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾರ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ರಷ್ಯನ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಗೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ನಂತರ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್.
ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಉದಯ್ ಶಂಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಅನುಜಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ್ ಎಂ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು.